Alright, I'm Jay and this is my 2015 bike check. Got some Odyssey bar ends that I've had for about 3 years. They just don't break. It's best bar ends by far. Cool Vans waffle grips, really comfy. Some Fly Montana bars, 8.75 rise by 29 rock up down to 28. A profile Morville stem that I've wrapped myself in digital camo. Odyssey headset. Amity Jesus forks, they've lasted me for about 3 years. I have a Profile Elite front hub with BSD spokes on a Fly pyramid rim, sick hub. Fly Montana frame, 21 inch top tube. A Federal camo seat, it's really comfy and soft, really nice. Just a random post, I don't know what post it is. A demolition sprocket that I've sprayed green. Profile cranks I've had for about 3 years. They're just the best cranks. Premium slim plastic pedals. Shadow chain, just a chain really. Demolition bottom bracket. My back wheel is a Profile Elite left hand drive 9 tooth BSD spokes and a Fly pyramid rim with a Demolition momentum tyre. It's really fucking loud. And they're just sick wheels. They ride really nice, and the engagement's just instant. So don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. And thanks for watching. For its slash.
Yes, turn them on.
Alright, this is my 2015 bike check.
Why?
I tell him to stop. Yeah. Yes. Do you know you, Jeff? Do you know part of just turn them on? Don't you understand? Turn them off. Just fucking stupid.